Hi, and welcome to the Super Sprouts video series from Hershey Gardens. I'm Sydney.
I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Lindsay.
And today we will demonstrate ways to keep your produce lasting longer.
When you're buying produce at the grocery store, make sure that the produce you're selecting doesn't have any blemishes, bruises, or wilting, because that's the stuff that's going to go bad faster. If you find items that are already ripe, there are a few tips and tricks that you can use to make sure that your produce is staying fresh longer when you get it home. There are certain fruits and vegetables that you wouldn't refrigerate just because placing them in the fridge can reduce their texture and their flavor, and it also sometimes can reduce their nutritional value. Some examples of fruits best kept on the counter include bananas and citrus fruits such as oranges that we have here. Vegetables that should be kept in a cool, dry place include tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and garlic. These fruits and vegetables generally do not have to be washed until they are ready to use.
Fresh fruit, leafy greens, peppers, celery, green beans, carrots, and broccoli will fare better if they're stored in the fridge. Something like kale or lettuce and those other leafy greens can be rinsed and stored with a wet paper towel in an airtight container, and it actually gets a little more crispy. The cut fruits and vegetables should be placed in a plastic bag or airtight container and used within a week for maximum freshness. One tip for keeping hearty vegetables fresh for longer is to cut them up and store them in a container filled with water. Submerging carrots and celery in water can help them retain their shape and keep them crunchy. Ensure the water is refreshed every few days, and in prepping, be mindful of when the items are going to be eaten or used so you don't waste any product. Storing some fruits and vegetables together can also alter their rates of ripening and rotting. When some vegetables and fruit ripen, like apples and bananas, they emit a gas called ethylene. So you would want to keep apples away from things like peppers because the gas can make the peppers sensitive and ripen a little faster. Overall, it's very important not to overcrowd any shelf or drawer with produce. This can block the airflow and make it harder for all of the items to stay chilled. If one piece of fruit is going bad, you should think about moving it away so it doesn't speed things up for the others.
If you're looking to store your vegetables longer than 4 weeks, consider freezing them. While fruit can be washed and directly frozen, many vegetables require a blanching process in order to preserve their nutrient value. Green beans in particular, if they're cut between 1 to 2 inches long, can be placed into a boiling water bath for up to 3 minutes. Then they can be rinsed in ice water, dried, and then packed into plastic bags in the freezer. Blanching times vary per type of vegetable, so you'll want to look at your local county or statewide extension agency for exact times. Vegetables that can be frozen well can be vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, celery, corn, and green beans.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning more about our gardening tips and tricks.
This project is made possible by the U.S. Institute of Museum and Library Services.
For more information about Hershey Gardens or to plan your next visit, you can visit us at HersheyGardens.org.